Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change nickname on Google Assistant. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open our Google application on our mobile phone. This is my Google application and I'm going to open it, and then we can click on this profile button on the top right, and you have to go to the Google setting right here and select Google Assistant, since we want to change the nickname on our Google Assistant. And then you have to go to the section your information and personal preferences, and here you can customize how your assistant will call you. You can change the nickname right here, and as you can see, this is my nickname, and if you want to change it, we can click on this pencil icon, and I'm just going to change like this. We can also record our own. We can teach the assistant to pronounce our name by recording our own voice. We can also select spell it out, and I'm just going to use the default as one. Alright guys, and that's how we can change a nickname on Google Assistant. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.